In this video, I will show you how to change Facebook profile picture. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, to do that, all you have to do now, go and open your Facebook app. After you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. Under this menu, all you have to do now, tap on this profile picture that you want to change. So in this session, tap on this camera icon beside the profile picture. So tap on this section which says change profile picture, this one, or choose profile picture. So from this section, all you have to do now, it will give you all pictures from your phone. So all you have to do now, go and select the picture that you want to add. So let's say for me, I want to add this one. So after I've selected the picture like this, so tap on this section now, this icon now to adjust it. As you can see now you can be able now to adjust it. You can zoom it in and out. So I'll just leave it like this and tap on this done button. So as you can see now, here is my profile picture. Tap on this save button. So as you can see now, it uploading now my profile picture. So now I'll just wait it for just some second to finish uploading my profile picture. So as you can see now, here is my profile picture now. I change it. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.